Today we talk about how can you verify tax account on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on your name. Then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on taxes here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then all you have to do, just go above settings, click on it. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on get start. So then you come to this list, and here can you certify or certify your tax status here with legal name and the residence address, then your social security number. So then you click here on verify, then it's going to verify with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.